Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs! Guys, I did it again. I've been known to be one of the clumsiest individuals to walk the face of this earth, and I proved it once again. Let me explain. I was sitting here with my brand new 2020 Razer Blade laptop, sitting right here. I had this charger plugged in, like so, somewhere. Somebody knocked at my door, probably an Amazon delivery driver or something. And I yanked my chair like so. My chair caught on to the cord here and pulled my Razer Blade laptop right onto the floor. And to make matters worse, I had my White Claw here as well, and that fell on top of the laptop. Now, luckily, I had just skinned this laptop, D-brand, awesome. No scratches at all, just a little nick, couple nicks here, but guess what? That's what the skin is for. So I'm actually happy that I had just skinned this, but what I'm not happy about is my charger cord broke. And I had to buy another one for about, I think it was $130. So what I'm gonna do today is, now I'm curious to see what's inside this bad boy. So I'm going to use all the tools at my disposal to open this thing up, and let's take a look inside, because hey, why not? You guys, stay tuned. Alright, so that's what the cord looks like. A little closer, you can see it's completely cracked off. So what I'm going to do is I got my old school iFixit toolkit, all kinds of cool little gadgets, things I might be able to use to pry this open. We're going to use that, potentially a heat gun, and any other method that I need to get into this bad boy. So I'm going to first start by checking out how the cord is. Let's get this off, let's cut it, and then let's see if I can get into the brick itself just to look what's in there and see. So, All right, so we got this thing open. Let's take a look at what we got here. So you want to be careful. I'm pretty sure the capacitors are discharged, but I don't know. And you can be shocked by them. And these are some big boys right here. We got two, what's it look like? 82 microfarad, 452 capacitors here. We have a, I can't tell this one here, but this one looks pretty big here. This is 105 degrees. Really good build quality. We got two extra capacitors here. It looks like, I mean, look at the copper like plating you got in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Copper plating here, probably for grounding purposes. Nice transistor there. Everything is insulated really well. This is the 230 volt, I believe RTX model. I might cut away at some of this stuff here to see what's down in here. But yeah, this is a really, really good quality. Oh, there we go. This is kind of coming off here. Let's get you out of there as well. Snip, snippy. Alright guys, so that was the video on the inside of the Razer Blade 2020 power supply, the 230 watt, I believe RTX version. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that's the one. Really high standards, great build supply, really good company like I said before. Just try not to be clumsy like me and break your brand new stuff. If I end up breaking my laptop, I'll go ahead and do the same thing there. Hopefully not. But thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button. Quick sip of the White Claw. So good. I'll see you guys on the next videos. Please subscribe. Yeah.